Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good morning kay Unified. This is Regina Incabo, Unified Entrepreneur. In this video po, tuturuan ko po kayo paano mag-send ng eCash to GCash gamit yung version 2 ng Unified Product and Services. So, una, download mo lang yung Unified Bito sa Play Store. Then, ito po yung lalabas, username and password. Enter mo lang yung username and password mo. And click lang sign in. So, merong lalabas na ito. This device not yet activated. So, punta ka daw sa yung Gmail. Punta tayo sa ating Gmail. So, ayan. So, device login activation. So, click lang natin ito. Click to activate. So, activation successful. So, balik tayo sa ating Unified version 2. So, dismiss lang. Then, click lang sign in. So, verify email. So, yan po yung email ko. Then, send OTP. So, ayan. So, mayroong mag-send sa atin sa ating Gmail ng OTP. So, ayan. Refresh lang natin. O, ayan. Reports OTP sender. So, ito. So, anot natin to i-copy. Ang number lang ang ating i-copy. So, copy. Ayan. So, input natin dito. Then, verify. Then, verify mobile. Then, click lang send OTP. Punta tayo sa ating message. Ating number. So, ito po yung one-time PIN. So, i-copy po natin dito. Ayan. Then, click verify. Then, tap here to continue. So, ayan. So, meron siyang laman. So, pag mag-send tayo ng money, mag-verify muna tayo ng ating account. So, click lang natin tong verify. Then, so take ID photo, face scan, then fill up information. So, get verify natin. So, pili lang tayo ng ID dito, ng mga valid ID. So, make sure your ID is valid and not expired. So, try natin tong UMID ID. So, ganito. Scan natin to. Yan, then click lang submit. Ayan, so success. So, next tayo, proceed. Next. So place your face in the oval. So, ayan. So, successful. So, ayan. So, success. Your ID selfie has been recorded. So, okay, proceed. Then, type natin dyan ang ID natin. Then, click lang natin submit. So, your application has been submitted. So, tap to continue. Then, makasend na tayo niyan. Send money. Then, click na lang natin tong GCash. Ayan. Then, input natin GCash mobile number, customer name, and amount. So, input natin yung transaction password natin. Then, confirm and send. So, ayan, dumating na. You have received 100 GCash from EasyPay. So, message, success. Pwede ka mag-new transaction, pwede ka mag-download. Pwede po pag-process sa ating version 2, paano mag-send ng eCash wallet to GCash. So, napakabilis sa transaction, on time talaga. So, yan lang po. Good morning po sa lahat and thank you po for watching. God bless po.